Truck vs. House, Jefferson Ave in Salem, Mass. Came in as an entrapment, but I believe the one person got out of the vehicle. You can see into the people's houses right here. Yeah, I was literally like falling asleep and I heard this call come in. I had left my scanner on by accident. It was quiet for the last like hour and a half, and then all of a sudden I heard this call come in. You can smell gas pretty bad right now. They called National Grid in. I got here pretty quick. Wow. They're lucky most of it was the front porch. Oh, dude. That gas is bad, man. It's like stinging my nose. I'm gonna see if we can see them talking to the guy that crashed. See, someone's in an ambulance over here. Yeah.
Be advised, very short time. Party here, the single party from the vehicle is going to be going to Salem Hospital. 23 is going to be following up and standing by. The other units are going to be needed to be dedicated here now. 24, 22, 21 for now.
So he keeps trying to pick his neck up with this C-spine collar on. That usually means they're not listening to what you're saying and they're probably under the influence. This would be some interesting body cam footage. He's got body cam on, and pretty sure he has body cam. That's Sergeant Pretty. I think this is Gwen. And then we got Escoffier. No one else is gonna have this footage right here, guys, of the kid in the ambulance. Yeah, I have some body cam footage already coming in on sometime after Tuesday, they said. I'm the first one to request body cam footage from Salem. It's still in the testing stages. We got fire department inside here. I thought it was a little further down where there's accidents, even more so. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Yeah, we got the gas secured inside the house. We're just verifying that. Appreciate the gas secured inside the house. We're standing by.
Alright, so they're going in the ambulance. Taking off. Hey, things happen. Things happen, Kay. I can't talk because when I was in my teenage years, I crashed into a house going over the Sam Beverly Bridge into Beverly.
Sailor Patrol to 26. 26 knots. You swing in here to grab a couple of documents to bring up to 23.
I was 17 when it happened to me. I was young, dumb, and sometimes when you're young and dumb, those things don't affect you like they should. Yeah?
Yeah.
Was that loud?
I heard I'm on the corner of Jefferson and Wilson, so on that corner
Oh, wow.
and you can see the cop cars all the time.
Oh, yeah. Seems that they're pretty lucky. It seems to be most of the front porch rather than the house itself. Like 20 minutes ago, I heard it come in on the scanner, and yeah, yeah, yeah. There's Bridge Street. I've caught one on Bridge Street by the Commons, down on Derby Street. I've caught quite a bit in the past couple of weeks. Oh, there's a car that way. Yeah, they already took him away in the ambulance. Huh. Oh, you're the one that's always going live on Facebook. Yep, it's me. Yeah, what was this about? What's this guy doing? That vehicle is just... What is he doing? I haven't heard anything else come over the radio, but it seems like they're looking for another vehicle. Here's a neighbor over here, just coming around the corner like, what's going on? I know, I'm a little surprised too. There's quite a bit. Not too many, but there's more behind me and to my right. But there's none from, doesn't look like there's any from that building, any from that house. Oh yeah, definitely over 25. There's not even like a turn there. I don't see any skid marks or anything either, guys. Yeah, I don't see any skid marks. I don't see anything, guys. Surprised there's not a tow truck here yet. They probably gotta make sure it's structurally sound before they pull the tow truck, pull it out. Here's a building inspector, I think. Yeah, no attempt to hit the brakes and definitely going over 25. So. National Grid. Does it say cat? Fuck. That autocorrect. Cat versus house. No wonder why only 8 people are watching.
Just for the case, we have our building inspector on station, still awaiting gas.
Building inspector, as I said. Calling in for the tow truck now. Just to have him on standby.
Room Bravo 16.
Quite a bit of people out. Not too many, but there's a good amount out. I think most of it is the structure of the porch, so I think they'll be able to pull that out fine. Something might fall from the porch, but like the roof will stay up, and they just have to put tape up in the front of the house, I bet. Like you can see that big chunk, that's gonna fall off. You know, things like that. You got the windows and shit all the way out here on the sidewalk.
Dale 30. The disco's been notified. Sorry, one more time so everyone Escos has been notified. Okay, roger that. After the case, we have a gas estimator on scene as well.
Alright, so they're not calling in bills, they're calling in Tedesco's. That's right in Salem, right by the Peabody line. No, I don't think they caught that person last night. I haven't heard anything of it. I'm surprised that the police didn't publish anything about that, like make a statement.
Jefferson Ave, coming from St. Anne from that side. It'll be a lot easier for them to access to come in. Roger. Appreciate keeping both companies on scene. Ladder will be available if necessary.
Everything's good. They can remove the truck now. Yeah, exactly, Christo. Well, like the holes. That almost went up in flames. If Cunningham wasn't there when that was on fire, that store would have went up in flames, 1,000%. I bet you if I mentioned something to the chief of police and showed him the video, that they would publish it saying, look at, you know, how heroic Cunningham was and his quick thinking.
Tedesco's been notified.
I didn't think that icebox would be, I didn't think the icebox would have been unlocked. Thankfully, that he was right next to it and he checked and it was unlocked, so he was able to throw that on the fire. And we didn't, I was about to pick the trash can up with him. You know, we're gonna both take each side and just throw it over the railing, get it away from the building, so the building didn't go up. But thankfully the icebox had no lock on it, and he was able to throw the 5-pound bags of ice on.
outside of her air conditioning unit. She's on the first floor. Her and her 16-year-old son.
Got a whole bunch of people filming right now. Of course, they all have their phones vertical. Always turn your camera sideways, guys, like this. You get so much more of the scene, and your phone is actually programmed to have better picture when you turn it sideways, like it's a camera. Like when we were growing up, you barely ever turn your camera that way, right? Barely ever. When we were growing up, that was only to get like a long shot if you wanted like the full body. I'm gonna get a little closer. So it's right by Arthur Street on Jefferson. It's more noisy over here, guys, but it's a different perspective. Nah, he was, from what I know, he was put right into the ambulance. Here comes Tondesco. think I might get a better view over there. To the left more. These guys using their cameras wrong, their phones wrong.
Can you give the caller a call back, see if they want to contact?
Yeah, they're trying to stand in my way. Some more news crews down here, guys. I got here before everybody. Something's going on at 409 Essex Street. A girl called, I think 911. See right down into the basement, guys. So there's some foundational damage. See right down into the foundation. So the basement. The front left tire is flat, guys. So I don't know if that's from the curb or what. Because there is no skid mark, remember that. What mainstream media, yeah. They're getting the shots that I've been getting. See, guys? Just that part of the foundation, at least. They said it was structurally good. Wow, his the whole hood is crumpled up. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Getting better shots than they're getting. Might not be as clear, but mine's live, baby. They're gonna stop putting tape up, guys. Yeah, he was going pretty fast, man. Saying they're gonna clear the scene with a tow. Wow, guys, holy man. Wow, we got all the news channels out here right now, guys. Look. Good, all the news channels, guys. All my competitors right there, guys. See my competitors. Ladder 2 will be in service. They're taking off. You won't get news like you get with me with anywhere else, guys. You get all the radio transmissions and everything. I do have some stuff on Teespring, but it's not up to par what I want. I do want to make hats like I have on right now, and I got some ideas, but I just gotta put them in motion. There's only been like 2 to 4 different shirts that have been bought so far on my Teespring store. This is the head fire guy, incident commander. Wow. Very quiet. Very quiet. Wow.
Sir, get across the street, please. So you're not in the way? Thank you.
In the way of what?
Over there is fine. That's fine.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys are priority. Sure. Safety wise, so they need to stand by while you do your stuff. What's that?
Vehicles confirmed. Building 7 stay on scene. Report up. Returning command. Bro's returning.
Alright, so should I grab a detail?
Building inspector to remain on scene with the board up. Companies in service. Command terminated. Right on Tower 2 returning. Tower 2 returning.
Sir, can you go on the side, please?
Mainstream media.
Your side. Thank you.
I don't know why he's asking people to go to the side. Wait till the fire truck gets out of here, maybe.
Grid Gas is here to cut the service. So I got the foreman's name and number. They're requesting one detail.
Yeah.
Actually,
It's to the side. They're going to cut the service to the sidewalk.
They can pull into the back of the house and not put them by the
No,
fence.
this is 5 and service.
you're okay to set them up?
Engine 5 and service.
I'll go around the back
All right. Yeah, there's no big.
and the other lines.
That's the power right there. Anything else?
So he's calling a crew that's coming off of here.
Next time.
Alrighty. It is on that side of the street.
Yeah, but they're gonna dig right there
Well, they are.
where it leads in.
Oh, even better.
Okay, I'll call it in here in a second.
So they're gonna dig right here, guys, and they're gonna cut off the gas. Gonna cut the gas off and dig it underground right there.
An hour away. Well, the board up guys. I need to get this insured.
We're gonna take precedent before the board guys. We're gonna be right there, look.
Yeah.
Gotta get the ball rolling on this.
30 to 21.
Yeah, this guy's.
We're going to open that side. We'll open up over here as well.
His call.
Reason.
Yeah, you might have to just stand by. You get all your stuff here and have it staged over here. You have the side street right there. I don't anticipate it's gonna take me quite a long time to cut it off. Yeah, that's what he said. So we have a detail in way, but I'm gonna keep the control unit here. This was just the one to get set up. I know. Okay, guys, the street's gonna be open. Please watch out.
Thirty to 21. Good. Okay, I'm going to have you if you can. Stage your vehicle. You're going to be over here. We're waiting arrival for Grid Gas. Calling out a detail for when they arrive. Just have you stand by for when the crew shows up until the details are released.
Another lamb will be here from the cruiser, so if you think you guys need it, then we're gonna pump it up. Yeah, you're all set. All right, come out. All right, great, go. As far as going back inside.
Alright, guys, I think we're about done here. I'm gonna let Mainstream know I have some shots of the kid in the ambulance, see if they want any.
Okay, yeah, no, I understand. They start the papers that are on the issue. All right, I said, good to hear, so,
Worst DoorDasher ever. Alright, guys. That's about it. Thanks for joining, guys. Share this. With anyone that you know from around this area. I'm always going live at scenes like this. Fires, emergency situations, police situations, all that. Thanks for your support, guys. Appreciate it.